Hello everybody, Blue Dooley with a little dash cam footage of Please Don't Do This. The van that was pictured there just a second ago, he tries passing me a couple of times, and I didn't realize until after the fact that he gets up here about the front of the bumper of the truck, then just backs out of it until he's even with the rear of the trailer. And by now he's done this about 3 times to piss off the guy in a little red car behind him is the only thing I can think of. He's just being a dick because the little red car's in a hurry. Please don't ride next to a truck like that. We don't like it. We don't know what the hell you're doing. Secondly, the other problem with this clip is you can't see the side of the trailer, but I am 11 foot 10, so there is dang near 4 feet hanging off the right side. So that little red car was pretty much off the highway at one point to get around the load. There's been no way he could have seen past me. So I get you're in a hurry. Definitely don't pass on the shoulder. That's completely unsafe. And if I had flinched, I'd either knocked him off the road or I'd ran into the van beside me who was still being a dick. That's a new experience for me. And now that this guy realizes that the red car passed me on the shoulder, he's just gonna continue on his merry way, like nothing happened. So that's why you really kind of got to be on your toes, and why I always recommend to everybody I know who drives truck, have a dash cam. Because boy, if that had went south, no matter who screwed up first, I'd at least had camera footage saying I was in my lane. There was nothing I could do about it. If I'd have slowed down, that van probably would have slowed down even more. So, just a quick clip. We'll catch you later.